Are you looking for the best solar pool heaters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best solar pool heaters. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kokito Solar Dome. As we come to the end of our collected list of the best solar pool heaters, we have another solar dome, this time from Kokito. How does this unit differentiate itself, then? The first thing you'll benefit from is a super simple installation requiring no DIY expertise and no time-consuming setup. Instructions are crisp and clear. You should be up and running well within the hour. Compatible with the majority of above-ground pools, you'll get more flexibility here than much of the opposition can offer. All connections and hardware you need come bundled. The serious drawback of this heater is that it's another model that fails to raise the water temperature significantly. You may notice a few degrees of improvement, but you won't get immediately noticeable results. As with all solar pool heaters, you should cut right back on the running costs of your pool if you are able to do without an electric heater. Even if you can't manage to do away with this completely, supplementing it with a solar heater can still reduce costs. Moving on at number 4. We have the SunHeater Universal Solar Pool Heater. Next up comes another highly versatile solar pool heater you could use in an in-ground or above-ground pool. Either way, you'll enjoy super simple installation. Set this system up on a roof or rack, on the ground or on a fence. You won't any special equipment either, as this heater runs with your existing pool pump. The manufacturer claims that the heater can lift the temperature of the water in your pool by as much as 6 to 10 F. The panel is solidly built and weather resistant. As long as you keep on top of maintenance, you can expect years of faithful service from this solar heater, and no ongoing costs once you've absorbed the price of purchase. The same certainly cannot be said for electric pool heaters. The only scattered complaints we found came from owners of Intex sand filter systems, claiming this heater doesn't work well with these. Overall, most customers seem satisfied with this green and highly efficient pool heater. At number 3, we have the SunHeater Pool Heating System. Next up comes a pair of solar heating panels designed to work well with both in-ground and above-ground pools. As with all the best solar pool heaters, you can transform the sun's rays into energy that will raise the temperature of the water in your pool by as much as 10 F. In this respect, these panels are among the effective in their class. Water is pushed through the multiple tubes in this system, and the water is then warmed by the UV rays from the sun. Once it's warm, the water is directed back into your swimming pool. Wherever you live, then, you'll be able to extend your swimming season without resorting to an expensive pool heater that draws down a great deal of electricity. This system might not be especially cheap to buy, but you won't be faced with any ongoing running costs. Like with any solar pool heater, you'll be free to run this as in a standalone capacity or, if you need a helping hand, in tandem with an existing pool heater. You can either remove the cost of heating your swimming pool completely, or at minimum cut it right back. At number 2, we have the Fafco Solar Panel Heating Kit. If you have an above-ground pool and you're looking to ramp up the temperature of the water without causing your electricity bill to spike, why not consider this solar panel heating kit from Fafco? Unlike some solar pool heaters, this one couldn't be much easier to get up and running. You could have this thing operational in less than 30 minutes. All you need to do is unroll the blanket, hook the system up to your pool filter outlet, and then connect the system outlet with your swimming pool inlet. It really is as easy as that. Kicking out almost 150,000 BTU on a daily basis, this heater is capable of warming the water in above-ground pools by up to 10 F. Compatibility is broad. You won't have to worry about getting the right fit for your pool pump either. This heater is designed to play nicely with all pool pumps. The main drawback of this heater concerns the amount of space it occupies. If you don't mind calling in the big guns, you'll benefit from an efficient, eco-friendly, and completely sustainable approach to pool heating that won't cost you a red cent once you've invested in the Fafco. And finally at number 1. we have the Smart Pool Solar Heater. Our overall favorite solar pool heater for in-ground pools comes from Smart Pool, so what makes this unit stand out? The first key selling point is the fact that this heater could potentially increase the water temperature in your pool by as much as 10°F. This sets the heater apart from many competing models that can't boast the same efficiency. This heater is composed of 80 square feet of panels in an array 4 by 20 feet. Now, you will need an installation kit for this setup, and you'll need to buy this separately. We don't appreciate essentials being bundled as extras, but if you're prepared to dig deep and take this on the chin, you'll end up with an installation that can cut down your swimming pool running costs while at the same time making the water temperature more comfortable year-round. The panels are made from a rugged polypropylene built to withstand the elements without fading or degrading. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.